All right, so we're just going to be using, because it's all right angle triangles, a form of our Pythagorean theorem. We have two right angle triangles. We have that triangle X, Y, and A, and we have the triangle A, Z, and 2. So if we know that the hypotenuse of one of the triangles, A squared, is going to equal x squared plus y squared, and we know that for the second triangle, A is one of the side lengths, 2 is one of the side lengths, and the hypotenuse is z, then a squared plus 2 squared is equal to z squared. Well, I can eliminate one of my variables just through substitution. I'm going to say that this is the same as x squared plus y squared plus 2 squared is equal to z squared. Well, that means that x squared plus y squared plus 4 is equal to z squared, and I can differentiate this. When I differentiate this, I'm going to get 2x and dx over dt plus 2y and dy over dt. The constant of 4 is just going to become 0, and 2z and dz over dt. Like in our previous cases, we're going to divide out the 2 to cancel that out, and then I'm going to substitute what I know. Well, what are the things that we know? We know that x is equal to 8. We know dx over dt is equal to 4. We know that y is equal to 16. We know that dy over dt is equal to 8. And we know that z is going to equal, well, we don't actually know z. But can't we just use the same things that we already know from here in order to solve z? Of course we can. We can say that if x squared plus y squared plus 4 is equal to z squared, well, we know our x and our y, so 8 squared plus 16 squared plus 4 is equal to z squared, which means that 324, when I combine those, is equal to z squared. And when I square root both sides, 18 kilometers is equal to z. And now I can finish off this problem. 18 times dz over dt. Well, 8 times 4 plus 16 times 8 is going to give me 160, and that is equal to 18 dz over dt, which means that dz over dt is equal to 160 over 18, and I can divide the top and bottom by 2 and get 80 over 9 kilometers per minute. Therefore, when the jet is 16 kilometers from the crossover point, the distance between the jet and the plane is increasing at a rate of 80 over 9 kilometers per minute. And that's it. Go ahead and try the you try questions.